The O1 preview model has been out long enough that the Limsys Arena board now has over 10,000 votes, so we have some confidence in its accuracy, and the result is that it's in a statistical tie with GPT-4o. The O1 mini model, which is the slim form of the new generation, is in a statistical tie with Gemini's 1.5, which is a previous gen. It's almost outdated. The new version of Gemini will be coming out soon. Not only is a new Gemini coming out soon, but there will be a new Grok and various other models, which are basically a new training run that's going through all of the main competitors. So the O1 performance is not runaway in the sense that it is not competition breaking. The market is still very competitive. And I think that's going to be the case for the foreseeable future because I think this AI progress is constant or decreasing with respect to scale, not increasing with respect to scale. So everyone else should be able to catch up, and even the open models should be catching up, although that may take longer, or it will take longer. What's hidden behind these numbers is the fact that the O1 preview model, although it's in a statistical tie with GPT-4o's latest version, it's actually much more costly to run. So beyond the performance scaling law invariant to cost, when you consider cost, the returns to cost scale are very clear, that they are diminishing returns at this point. Rather than general performance improvements, which Limsys captures, the main innovations in the recent models are that they can accomplish new features and functions that previous models just couldn't do. So the average score is not really notably improving, but O1 Preview has multi-step reasoning, which just doesn't exist in 4.0. On the other hand, 4.0 has features that have not been added to the O1 Preview UI when someone is using ChatGPT's UI. The O1 Preview model still cannot support interpreting a screenshot through the UI. It can do it if you do this through the API, but it cannot do this if you do this through the UI. And it does not have the code compiler integrated. This means O1 Preview is practically constrained for most end users because most end users of ChatGPT are using the UI rather than the API. So this further diminishes the sort of jump that O1 Preview is supposed to represent over 4.0. Put this all together, what does this mean for software engineers? It means that software engineers should be less worried than previously thought about the progress of AI and displacing jobs. Further, software engineers are continuing to adopt these tools, and it continues to prove the thesis that engineers are going to be using AI, not replaced by AI. And the second main thing it means is that there are a huge number of engineering opportunities because if you want to take those code compiler use cases, image interpretation use cases, and integrate them into O1 Preview, what you're talking about is moving software features. So you're talking literally about engineering work. In short, this newest round of models is showing that for multiple reasons, robustly, software engineers are going to continue to be needed for longer than previously thought.